This video is on attaching the Elevating Multilink arm support to the proximal rod. Whether you are using the evaluation stand or a wheelchair setup, both of which include the Jaeco Rancho mount, or you're using the Tabletop Mount setup, all of these mounting situations include a proximal rod. Therefore, from here on out, the videos will be universal, regardless of your mount setup. Likewise, both the standard Multilink arm and the Elevating Multilink arm attach to the proximal rod. So you can watch this video whether you are using the standard or Elevating Multilink arm. Today, we are going through how to attach the Elevating Multilink arm to the proximal rod of our chosen mount setup. Next, I'm going to attach my Multilink arm support. I'm going to set this up for a right-handed student. Since I have a right-handed student, these knobs where my bands will go will be located on the right side, which is the outside. These two small arms have two different size holes. There's an end with a larger hole, which will go onto my proximal arm rod. I will need to loosen this screw so that it can slide on. Now the other end has a smaller hole, which includes a brass ring. So you can tell it's smaller because it's brass. I can use my 5/32 wrench to loosen that screw. With the band knobs in the outside position, I can put that larger hole over my proximal shaft, lowering it, and then tightening that screw to keep it in place. Next, I'm ready to put on the forearm support to the distal end. In our next video, we'll go through attaching the forearm support. Thanks for watching. Check out the next video in the series for our next steps.